In this next section, you'll learn about different options available to build a hybrid cloud by using Google Cloud. Many Google Cloud customers want to connect their Google Virtual Private Clouds to other networks in their system, such as on-premises networks or networks in other clouds. There are several effective ways to achieve this. One option is to start with a virtual private network connection over the Internet and use the IPsec VPN protocol to create a tunnel connection. To make the connection dynamic, a Google Cloud feature called Cloud Router can be used. Cloud Router lets other networks in Google VPC exchange route information over the VPN by using the Border Gateway Protocol. With this method, if you add a new subnet to your Google VPC, your on-premises network will automatically get routes to it. But using the Internet to connect networks isn't always the best option for everyone, either because of security concerns or because of bandwidth reliability. A second option is to consider peering with Google by using direct peering. Peering means putting a router in the same public data center as a Google point of presence and using it to exchange traffic between networks. Google has more than 100 points of presence, or POPs, around the world. Customers who aren't already in a point of presence can contract with a partner in the carrier peering program to be connected. Carrier peering gives you direct access from your on-premises network through a service provider's network to Google Workspace and to Google Cloud products that can be exposed through one or more public IP addresses. One downside of peering, though, is that it isn't covered by a Google Service Level Agreement. If getting the highest uptimes for interconnection is important, then using dedicated interconnect would be a good solution. This option allows for one or more direct, private connections to Google. If these connections have topologies that meet Google specifications, they can be covered by up to a 99.99% SLA. Also, these connections can be backed up by a VPN for even greater reliability. And the final option we'll explore is Partner Interconnect, which provides connectivity between an on-premises network and a VPC network through a supported service provider. A Partner Interconnect connection is useful if a data center is in a physical location that can't reach a dedicated interconnect co-location facility, or if the data needs doesn't warrant an entire 10 gigabit connection. Depending on availability needs, Partner Interconnect can be configured to support mission-critical services or applications that can tolerate some downtime. As with dedicated interconnect, if these connections have topologies that meet Google specifications, they can be covered by up to a 99.99% SLA. But note that Google is not responsible for any aspects of Partner Interconnect provided by the third-party service provider, nor any issues outside of Google's network.